Hey, good morning, Kurt with Teach Mom How. I just discovered a cool trick on your iPhone, some effects you can apply to your live photos that you may or may not know. I'm going to share those with you now. All right, here's a cool trick for adding some effects to your live photos on an iPhone. So go to your camera. By the way, if you don't know this already, this yellow button, top left corner of your camera that's yellow right now, that turns on and off the live photo feature. The live photo feature, if you don't know it, makes a still image a 3-second motion picture, so you can kind of see funny faces and stuff when you're taking pictures, as well as you can choose which frame you want. I just discovered this today actually, so I thought I would share it with you. But now, if you have a live photo, you can make it. Here's one I did earlier. You can add an effect to it, okay? So this is a live photo with an effect. So let's just go, what you do is you slide up, and this is what the live photo looks like without the effect. Okay? You have to hold your thumb on the live photo to get it to play. Plays a 3-second clip that was taken when I just took a selfie. Alright, so I scroll that up, and now I have the option to do a loop, which is basically just going to play the clip over and over with a transition at the end back to the start. Then there's a bounce, which plays the clip over and over without a transition. That's my favorite one. And the third one that they have right now, they only have 3 right now, unfortunately. I hope they come out with other cool stuff, is a long exposure. And it's beyond the scope of this video to show you how a long exposure works. But just know you have that option if you want to play around and learn how to use long exposures to make photography. So there you have it. There's 3 effects that you can apply to a live photo that you take on your iPhone.